Good morning, Facebook, YouTube subscribers, family, and friends. Today is Monday, and I'm sitting here watching the TV, and I was flipping through the channels, going back and forth. President Obama's in South Africa, and CNN was showing some excerpts from his visit there, and then they went back to the Trayvon Martin, George Zimmerman trial. And I'm having a very difficult time watching this particular trial. For me, I cannot watch it. It doesn't make sense for me to watch this trial. Trayvon Martin was walking down the street in Sanford, Florida, minding his own business, not hurting anyone, on his way home. What took place to him is a tragedy because it should never have happened to anyone. George Zimmerman doesn't even deserve a trial. He should have been arrested and thrown straight into jail for killing that little kid. Trayvon Martin didn't do anything wrong. He wasn't hurting anyone. He wasn't harming anybody. He was simply walking down the street. So now Trayvon Martin's whole life has to be dissected and torn apart so that George Zimmerman can be convicted of his murder. And I don't think it's fair. For a person just to be simply walking down the street, minding their own business, the state of Florida has to spend thousands of dollars to convict George Zimmerman. George Zimmerman was clearly told by the 911 operator, do not interfere, stay in your car, the police are on the way. But that wasn't good enough for him. He decided that he'd rather get out of his car and go pursue Trayvon Martin. And he shouldn't have done that. He violated that man's personal rights and civil rights just to pursue him and then to kill him and then say it's self-defense. Well, it wouldn't have been self-defense if you had just stayed in your car and left that little kid alone, let him continue walking on about his business, going home to his parents' house or where his father lived at the time. The man would still be alive. There'd be no issue. There'd be no court trial. That man wouldn't be sitting up there looking stupid, tried with murder right now. And I can't watch this trial. I can't sit here and look at this mess because it makes my blood pressure go sky high, and it angers me because that could have been my son or my family members or one of my friends or even me walking down the street, minding my own business, not doing anything wrong, and here come this fool with a gun, a superhero, a vigilante, to protect the neighborhood, and you ain't doing nothing but walking down the street. This man does not deserve a trial. George Zimmerman's a murderer and should have been locked up. This whole incident of this case is ridiculous. And to think that he wasn't even charged at first, that he almost got away with it if people hadn't said anything. Sad that this man now has to waste taxpayer money to convict him. And there comes the question. I mean, this comes the part that really scares me. What if he doesn't get convicted? What if he isn't found guilty? What if this jury comes back and says he's innocent? But how can they find someone innocent of killing a man walking down the street, minding his own business? How can this man claim self-defense when he got out of his vehicle and pursued Trayvon Martin, harassing him? I mean, are we that naive and stupid? Are the police that dumb? Common sense should tell us this man should not have said anything. How can you claim self-defense when you clearly got out your car with a gun and pursued this little kid? when you were told to sit in your car and wait for the police to arrive. This is why I can't watch this mess. Because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make logical sense to me. So Trayvon Martin walking down the street, the victim, not doing anything wrong. I don't understand this whole. I guess George Zimmerman deserves it. He's going to have his day in court. And in any criminal case, anywhere, he could have. I don't even know if they gave this man a plea. I wanted to offer him an opportunity to plead guilty, which would have made the most sense to me. You didn't grab the gun, went after a complete stranger. You know you did it. You might want to go ahead and take a cop a plea and get your ass on down the road so you might have an opportunity to come home one day. Are they even charging him with murder? I don't even know what they're charging him with. I don't know. I mean, it just, to me, I can't watch this mess. And I see the updates on Facebook. I see the updates on various news sites that send me text messages and emails throughout the day. The New York Times and the Wall Street Journal. 2 real news sources, not media takeout. Real news. CNN.com. So I'm getting updates, but to sit here and watch this stuff all day, I can't do it. Because it makes me too angry. It makes me too mad. Because this did not have to happen. Certain things, if that man had sat in that damn car, none of this would have taken place. And he wouldn't be sitting up there looking stupid on trial for, hopefully, murder. But I'm done with this. I can't even talk about this shit no more. Anyway, if you like my videos, click like. I want to hear you guys' comments on what do you think about this trial. Is this man going to get convicted of this crime, this hideous, heinous crime that he committed? It was a crime. He committed murder. He should have left that little kid alone and let him walk down the street until the police got there. If you like my videos, click like, give me some feedback, and tell me what you think about today's topic, the Trayvon Martin trial. Are you watching it? Can you watch it? Are you like me? Can't sit through it. Anyway, I look forward to reading you guys' comments. Have a wonderful Monday. And let me know what you think about the Trayvon Martin trial. Well, George Zimmerman trial. Bye.